Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Leena Francis and this is where we dive into everything coding, tech and career tips for developers just like you. Today we are going to answer a huge question for all the freshers out there. What is GitHub profile and why it is absolutely essential for you? Whether you're just starting your coding journey or looking to level up, this video is packed with the most no info to get your GitHub profile on track. So let's jump right in. Think of GitHub as the world's largest code sharing platform. It's where developers from beginners to experts store, share, and collaborate on projects. GitHub is like your personal coding portfolio, but with a global community of developers. A GitHub profile is your personal page on GitHub where you showcase your coding journey, your repositories, your commits, your projects. It's all there. It's like a coding resume for the digital age. As a fresher, having a GitHub profile is key for standing out. Employees want to see what you can do, and GitHub gives you a chance to show off your skills, not just talk about them. Your GitHub profile is your digital showcase, helping you land that first job or internship. Starting your GitHub profile is easy. Pick a username, upload a friendly photo, write a short bio about yourself, and start adding your projects. Don't worry if they are small. Every project you upload builds your experience and shows employers you are dedicated. GitHub isn't just about showcasing your work. It's also about growing as a developer. You can contribute to open source projects, learn from others, and improve your skills in real time. GitHub is a social network for developers. By following people, contributing to discussions, and joining open source projects, you build a network of like-minded developers who can help you grow in your career. And there you have it. A GitHub profile is not just a tool. It's your gateway to the coding world. Whether you're looking to learn, share, or land your dream job, GitHub is the place to be. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more coding tips and career advice. And hey, drop your GitHub profile link in the comments below. We'd love to check out your work. Catch you in the next one.